So when you see a lot of these ultra low volume programs, like the Mike Mentzer style programs of 1-2 sets a week for a muscle and you don't hit it again for a week, you know, I don't think that's a good way to train. But these type of people who can get results from this, the people who've trained with higher volumes before, in order to make this work, you need to be pretty skilled. You need to have good efficiency with your movements. You need to know how to train hard, and you need to be able to get the ability to drag and squeeze absolutely everything out of those sets that you do. Most beginners don't have that ability. So what do beginners actually benefit from? A couple more sets, just a little bit more volume. These low volume approaches, very, very low volume, they don't work well for beginners because they need a little bit more skill exposure, a little bit more, a couple more sets, just to test the waters, learn how to train hard, learn how to have better execution and accuracy. Beginners need a little bit more volume. So these low volume approaches, they tend to work well for people who've already built a little bit of a base from higher volume training. So it's just food for thought.